Good evening, everyone. My name is Shriyans Sudha. I read in Delhi Public School, Sushant Lok, Gurugram, Haryana, in class 5th F. I started my coding journey with Tinker Coders. Firstly, I learned the Scratch project with Riya Jain ma'am. Then I learned MIT App Inventor with the Pari Deshpande ma'am. Then till now I am learning the Python with Riya Jain ma'am. All through, both teachers are very well. They teaches me in my any problem situation, and I am going to show you some projects. Basically, one project, I because I have participated in the Tinker Coders competition. I have made a winter globe. So basically, so basically, I have I have searched in producers. There I have give them instructions that give random position and size to ball so that they can do when the snowfall do go down. Then I have set it radius between 4 to 6 as they are falling randomly, so they can be very fat or very thick also. Now this is the position because it's x and y. The producer can do any 25 of the balls to fall from any direction and from any direction because I've set random x and y. Then I have cited when screamer intelligence do. Basically, it helps the 25 balls to fall down from any directions they want. Now, when any ball has reached, when any my snowball reach the bottom of my map, they can disappear so that it can go forward and forward after the map ended. Then also, so I have cited false here. This I have insert a sensor in it, so when I shake my mobile, so the snowfall can go and the music also can play. So basically, obviously when I shake, the music will play, and after that the random snowballs will fall from any direction, as I told you before. And I have also inserted this give random position and size to ball here also. Now set ball visible of so basically, if I set the ball to false when it go to bottom, so I have to select true also when it have to when it have to visible. So all through my project is that I have selected a map, and whenever the mobile shakes, a music plays in the background and the snow will fall, and when the snow will end, the music also end. Let me show you the example. As now you can see here is my map. Now when I will shake, see, music is playing and snowfall is going down. And when snowballs ended, then the music also ended. It's all basically. Thank you, Tinker Coders, for providing me a best classes for coding. Thank you, everyone.